folding chair, painted folding chair and shoes, low cost of shoe. Each one cost 10 rupees, the original shoe, but low cost of our shoe. MDPE pipe or HDPE pipe, like HDPE pipe, water pipe. See here, HDPE water pipe, 3x4 folding chair. Two inches pieces cutting, and I used here shoe. Each 1 meter 40 rupees or 45. This is HDPE pipe or best MDPE pipe. MDPE pipe, this like. MDPE pipe. See here, MDPE pipe. Blue Firoja blue color MDPE pipe. The black color is HDPE pipe. Both are water pipes. We have to use low cost of shoes.